Man, nice oil blade.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Oh my gosh. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to another day here in the Pacific Northwest. And I'm going home right now because I have to do some edits and audio will be finished around like 10 o'clock p.m. Traffic once again. Sunshine after the rain. So this is like the condominium homes neighborhood. Ooh, nice weather. Oh, rice! No more rice! Alright guys, I just finished folding the clothes, so now it's computer time. This is my setup right here. So I'm just opening up Adobe Premiere Pro, and this is my second monitor. I just put like a portrait style so it wouldn't really get any space between those two computers. That's my iMac, that's my main computer. Before I used to edit on that one, but now I just play. So this is my editing computer. I do really like it's a laptop because you could bring it anywhere you want. So yeah, if you're wondering what is this is just a cover for my camera so that, you know, if they hack me, they wouldn't see me, as well as that thing right there. So yeah, I'll just continue edit and time I will play. So tanga, because I re-export my video or my thing, the vlog, because I mistakenly not upload but export a video. Shucks, where am I going? Because of this, I put Victoria instead of Vancouver, so I kind of like redo again or like finalizing, and it's still 14%. 2 hours more to render. So tanga. But anyway, I'll just play my favorite game. I am on 17th platinum for 4 versus 4 StarCraft 2 Legacy of the Void. Yeah, I'll just play. Hello.
Hello!
How come you open so wide?
I'm sorry.
How's work?
It's crazy busy. Hello. I would like to share today I ordered a Target box. I did not know I can order beauty products in Target. So I got this over 2 weeks ago and only now I got the chance to open it. So I ordered it through Target.com and I only paid $10 and it's free shipping. So I just would like to open it up and see what's inside. If I can open it, you know. Struggle. Bam! Okay, let's open it up. I get $3 off. Oh my god, it's expired. $. Gentle clarifying treatment. Ooh, I got this. I got a lip balm from Revlon. Intense moisture anti-aging cream. Oh wow, it's locked. This is worth it for $10.
Wala